It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading. I'm in the bee yard today, and I'm going to do a little bit of an update on the bear situation that is happening around my place. There is tons of bear sightings, and that one day I had a bear come down and moved a barrel and stuff, so he does know where this place is. That bear went down and it got into a bee yard, and then that beekeeper put up an electric fence after that, so it kept the bear out. But now the bear got into another bee yard and he went back and he went right through the electric fence. So this bear is getting used to getting by an electric fence. So I really don't want to put all my hopes in this electric fence stopping him. I wanted to make something that would make some noise. So I got a motion activated light and I went to Value Village and I got a siren basically for a house alarm system. I'm hoping that it'll scare the bear enough that he won't spend a lot of time trying to figure out how to get in the bee yard. So let's go put it up. You know, I haven't seen bears around here ever. My whole life. And this year is just crazy. They're everywhere. Okay, I got it all fastened to the tree. I have the motion detector at the very top of my board. I have my DC inverter and my siren. I shoved a bag in it because man is it loud. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it on. We're going to keep adjusting it till it hits most of the bee yard. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on. And if I walk back a bit, there you go. There is kind of a dead spot right here. Okay, so it's definitely just hitting the top of my head and I wanted to grab more of what's on this side. So I'm going to push that sensor just down a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going to have to use what I've got around. So down a bit. Okay, I'm pretty low right here. Let's see. It's picking me up. We're going to do a little bit of a test. I'm going to walk in at some different entrance points and we're going to see if it sets off the alarm. I'm gonna move. Look at that. It's exactly where I want it. Still picking me up. Okay, we'll check this side. I might have to move it a hair more. Okay, so it's not picking me up here. Okay. Oh, it's down too far now. Try that. Okay, so there you go. Bear's walking in. Goes off. Goes off over here. If he actually trips that, that's going to be scary enough. Okay, so there you go. It's up and working, and the biggest stretch of the fence it is picking up, and this is where the bear was. So bears probably come back to the exact same place they did before, and he's going to try to walk around the fence. So hopefully he will trip that, and it'll scare him, and he won't keep walking around the fence trying to find a way in. That's about enough for tonight, and we'll see how it is in the morning. So you guys have a good one.